Normally, we're talking about things that go in your bag, but today I have to tell you about something that you should never put in your bag because it is a crime against your work bag. It's really a crime against fashion, so let's go. Unbelievably, today we are talking about hand sanitizer, and I bet it's in so many of your bags. I know it was in mine, and it will ruin your clothes, your shoes, it will take color off your car, and it will take color off your bag. So let's get set up because we can have any of that on, you know, the clothes or the furniture, the chairs, just actually anything. This is my kind of lab coat. All right, if this has already happened to you with the hand sanitizer, stick around till the end of the video because I've got help just for you. So we've already had this happen to some Alicia Bag clients. They're being a responsible citizen with their hand sanitizer and it spills in their bag and it sits there for a minute. So here is our indigo bag right here. I'm gonna put the hand sanitizer on it. It's gonna stay, that's maybe 5 seconds. There's the blue color that comes right off it, and it will discolor your bag, and eventually you'll have all kinds of spots on your bag. Let's try it on brown. This unfortunately is a bag that actually happened. This actually happened to a client. They got hand sanitizer and spilled on the inside. Boom. There is the brown color right there. So you might be asking yourself now, what do I do? I'm a responsible person. I don't want to spread COVID or anything else for that matter. What do I do? I have some ideas for you. Kids hand sanitizer does not contain alcohol. So you put it on there, no color. So if it's good enough for your kids, maybe it's good enough for you too. There's also hand sanitizer you can buy with no alcohol in it. Again, put it on there. No color, it is the alcohol. What about those of you that really want the alcohol? You're like, I think that works best for me. My solution to that is wipes. So put the wipes in your bag, they're all contained. Use the wipe when you get where you're going and then throw it away, right? You've seen these. This is like a little wet nap situation. This way the alcohol never touches your bag. Genius. If you're a current Alicia Bags client and this has happened to you, I'm so sorry, but I'm excited to tell you I will be happy to replace your bag or the parts for free on me. Just email me at alicia@aliciabags.com. If you're a new client, head over to aliciabags.com and enter the code NEWBAG for a surprise COVID-19 discount. Can't wait to see you back in the world safely with your new bag.